Cristiano Ronaldo, full name Cristiano Ronaldo dos Santos Aveiro, is a Portuguese professional footballer who plays as a forward for Series A club Juventus and captains the Portugal national team. He was born on 5 February 1985, aged 34 years old in Funchal, Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo was born to Jose Diniz Aveiro, mother name Maria Dolores dos Santos Aveiro. As a child, Ronaldo played for amateur team Andorina from 1992 to 1995, where his father was the kitman. At the age of 12, he went on 3-day trial with Sporting CP, who signed him for a fee of 1,500 euros. By the age of 14, Ronaldo believed that he had the ability to play semi-professional football and agreed with his mother to cease his education in order to focus entirely on football. However, 1 year later, he was diagnosed with a racing heart that could have been forced him to give up playing football. Ronaldo underwent heart surgery where a laser was used to cure the disease. At the age of 16, Ronaldo was promoted from Sporting youth team by first team manager Laszlo Bologna, who was impressed with his dribbling. He subsequently became the first player to play for the club under 16, under 17 and under 18 teams. At the age of 18, Ronaldo became the first ever Portuguese player to sign to Manchester United with the transfer fee of 12.24 million euros, made him the most expensive teenager in English football history. Although he requested the number 28, he received the number 7 shirt, which had been previously worn by David Beckham. After winning his first trophy in England, the FA Cup, during his first season there, he helped United with 3 successive Premier League titles, a UEFA Champions League title and a FIFA World Cup title. By the age of 22, he had received Ballon d'Or and FIFA World Cup Player of the Year nomination, and at the age of 23, he won his first Ballon d'Or and FIFA World Cup Player of the Year award. In 2009, Ronaldo was subjected to the most expensive association football transfer at the time when he moved from Manchester United to Real Madrid in transfer worth about 94 million euros. With the Real Madrid, Ronaldo won 15 trophies including 2 La Liga titles, 2 Copas del Rey and 4 UEFA Champions League title, and Real Madrid all-time top goal scorer. Ronaldo scored a record 34 La Liga hat-tricks, including a record-tying 8 hat-tricks in 2014 and 15 season, and he is the only player to reach 30 goals in 6 consecutive La Liga seasons. After joining Madrid, Ronaldo finished runner-up for Ballon d'Or 3 times behind Lionel Messi, his P-received career rival, before winning back-to-back Ballon d'Ors in 2013 and 14. After winning consecutive Champions League title, Ronaldo secured back-to-back Ballon d'Or again in 2016 and 17. A historic 3rd consecutive Champions League followed, making Ronaldo the first player to win the trophy 5 times. In 2018, he signed for Juventus with the transfer fee of 100 million euros, the highest ever paid by Italian club, and the highest fee ever paid for a player over 30 years old. In his first season, he won Series A and a Supercoppa Italiana and was also named Series A Most Valuable Player by the Forbes magazine. Ronaldo was ranked the world highest paid athlete in 2016 and 17 and as the world most famous athlete by ESPN in 2016, 17, 18 and 2019. As of September 2019, Ronaldo is also the most followed user on Instagram. Today, Cristiano Ronaldo has an estimated net worth of $450 million, in India 3,189 crore rupees, and he is the owner of expensive cars, luxury plane and house. Then let's take a deep look into it. Number 1. McLaren Senna. The cost of the car is $1 million. Till now the car is not launched in India, but estimated cost of the car is 7 crore rupees. Number 2. Rolls-Royce Cullinan. The cost of the car is $345,000 US. In India, 6.95 crore rupees. As in footballer, Cristiano Ronaldo owns most expensive private jet, the Gulfstream G650, which cost about $65 million. In India, 460 crore rupees. The plane can carry 18 people and has an initial of CR7, and the plane can reach to the top speed of 982 km per hour, and Ronaldo also ran this plane for 6,000 euros per hour. Cristiano Ronaldo house, which cost about $15 million, in India 106 crore rupees. A picture of sleek modern luxury house provide built-in theatre, LED driveways, an infinity pool with an opening plan living kitchen and dining area, and an outdoor dining area and a spacious garden, and best bedroom with walk-in wardrobes. The recent girlfriend of Cristiano Ronaldo is Georgiana Rodriguez, and Cristiano Ronaldo has 4 children: Cristiano Ronaldo Jr., Mateo Ronaldo, Alana Martina dos Santos Aveiro, and a daughter Eva Maria dos Santos. And guys, today's video like target is only 1500 likes, so please click the like button. And this is all about the lifestyle of Cristiano Ronaldo. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and share the video.